Hello and welcome. My name is Joanne Collins and I'm the librarian at Broadmeadows Middle School. And today I'm going to walk you through the Britannica School Edition Encyclopedia. There are two different ways to access this resource. The first is by going to the quincypublicschools.com homepage, go to our district, our schools, and then choose the school relevant for you, and head on over to their library page. The other way is to go to thomascranelibrary.org. From there, you'll want to click on Kids and Families, Homework Help, and then choose Encyclopedia Britannica School Edition. You want to choose your learning level. And here you can start by putting in a keyword in the search bar. You'll see many entries appear for solar system. And on the left-hand side, you'll see over here, you can filter your search by Lexile rating if you wish. There are also a lot of different levels at the top of the page that you can choose from. Another great feature is the ability to access lesson plans. These lesson plans show a brief description, when it was created, and what grade it was designed for. Another way to choose is by clicking on Articles. Pick a topic, narrow your topic, and then choose an article that's of interest to you. Here you can see the toolbar at the top, where you can send this article to someone, mark it as your favorite, print it, cite it, translate it, listen to it, or simply change the font. To listen,
the African bullfrog, also known as the pig,
reads it out loud to you and highlights it as it reads. Translate will translate this page into many different languages. Citing the source. Once you click Citing the source, you can choose your citation style, and the student can simply copy and paste this directly on to their works cited page. Again, we have different reading levels. And over here you can find other websites, primary sources, and more articles. And that's the Britannica School Middle website. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to any of the middle school librarians or anyone at the Thomas Crane Public Library. Thanks for listening.